Hi, my name's Jayna. I'm the Digital PR Strategist here at C3.
Hi, my name's Travers and I'm a Digital PR Executive here at C3.
Today we're going to cover how to build your brand as an industry leader, and we'll be using one of our clients' Chapter 2, a dating app, to tell the story.
Founded by Nikki Wake, Chapter 2 is a dating app designed by widows, for widows and widowers in 2022 after the loss of her husband. Nikki originally approached us at the start of the year to help her improve her brand's visibility online. We've since secured her top-tier publications in places like The Metro, The Sun, The Mirror and Daily Express. And she is now the #1 ranking dating sites for widows in the UK.
Here's a rundown of the strategy that we had in place for Chapter 2 in order to reach them on high-tier domain publications and to be seen as an expert in their industry. We decided to position Nikki, the founder of Chapter 2, as a dating expert in order for her presence to be pivotal in the media. This helped her to break away from any competitors that weren't doing the same and help journalists resonate with Chapter 2 as more of a story behind the brand as opposed to a dating app for widows and widowers only. We conducted proactive pieces in which that we looked at what was trending in the media and created some thought leadership pieces which positioned Nikki as an expert in the field of dating and relationships. Part of the strategy was also to build a reactive, always-on approach in which that we reacted to any new breaking stories in the media, such as celebrity breakups or any new film releases on Netflix in which they had a strong couple present.
So reactive PR is, as the name suggests, which is our always-on approach. The focus is on managing publicity that might arise unexpectedly throughout the course of the week or the month. So, for example, a story that happens in the news that we weren't quite expecting, but it means that we can hop on that and provide some outreach with tailor-made comments and Nikki's expert guidance. So an example for Chapter 2 would be if there was a celebrity breakup, a change in the law surrounding widows, or something, or an online dating trend that we weren't expecting to see, we could provide tailor-made comments provided by Nikki and outsource that to the press and hopefully receive links through that way. This always-on approach allows us to maximise our success for landing relevant new domains.
Combining our strategy of planned proactive pieces and reactive commentary, we secured 69 results over the course of 6 months and a high average DA of 75. We landed coverage on a range of really high-tier relevant publications including LADbible, HuffPost, Women's Health and also Mail Online.
So to summarise, these would be our top 3 tips on how to use digital PR to become an industry leader. Have a clear and concise strategy whereby reactive PR can seamlessly fit in with your planned activity.
Our second tip would be to be timely with reactive requests. This helps to stay ahead of competition and also allows you to plan ahead as possible.
Tip 3 would be to tell a story with your experts to help build a presence and resonate with your audience.
To learn more about our digital PR offering at C3, please visit connective3.com.